Doing an IRA investment in Odd Job, a family fund business, which is Odd Jobs. I know some people wonder about, how are you going to get your taxes filled out and stuff. Uh, for IRA investments like Odd Jobs, family fund businesses and stuff, just fill out papers every single month, every transaction, and just go to a lawyer to get a receipt or something and file taxes at the end of the year. It's simple. So family fund, IRA investments, odd jobs, pretty much jobs that are odd jobs, IRA investments is good. And I know a lot of people have a hard time selling stuff, but it's a fun family fun job that builds wealth for your family, and it's still good. You might not make as much money with it as a typical factory job, and it's not steady, but your family can make money, build their wealth with IRA investments, which is odd jobs, different types of odd jobs and stuff like that. And it's fun for the family. You can typically build like $8,000 a year, and maybe more than that. You can get up to like $400K in like 5 years. But they're fun to do. It doesn't matter if someone else is doing it, you can try to do it too. It's just competition, but not everybody in the world is going to do it because a lot of people don't really like to do stuff like that. But so you should try it if you don't like it. It's an entrepreneur job.